how personality types shape workplace success. Welcome. This is a reading and exercise video. First, you will learn important vocabulary from the text. Each word has a meaning and an example sentence. Then you will have the text with the new words highlighted. You can pause and read it again. At the end, there is a short quiz to help you remember the words. Let's get started. Section 1 of 3. Vocabulary. Dominance. Meaning: the quality of being in control or having power. Example: her natural dominance made her a strong team leader. Influence. Meaning: the ability to affect how others think or behave. Example: his influence helped the team adopt a more positive attitude. Steadiness. Meaning: the quality of being calm, consistent and reliable. Example: her steadiness helped the team stay focused during stressful times. Conscientiousness. Meaning: the trait of being careful, responsible and detail-oriented. Example: his conscientiousness made him perfect for quality control tasks. Working under pressure. Meaning: performing well even in stressful or urgent situations. Example: she is excellent at working under pressure and meeting tight deadlines. Assessment. Meaning: a test or evaluation to understand someone's skills or traits. Example: the company gave each employee a personality assessment. Practical. Meaning: focused on real results and useful solutions, not just ideas. Example: we need a practical solution that can be used immediately. Stability. Meaning: the condition of being steady and not changing too much. Example: he brings emotional stability to the whole team. Overly critical. Meaning: judging too harshly or too often. Example: she is sometimes overly critical of small mistakes. Traits. Meaning: characteristics or qualities that describe a person's behaviour. Example: honesty and kindness are two of her best traits. Pairing. Meaning: the act of putting two people or things together for a purpose. Example: the manager made a smart pairing of a creative thinker and an analyst. Struggle. Meaning: who have difficulty doing something. Example: he struggles with public speaking but is working to improve. Persuasive, meaning good at convincing others to believe or do something. Example: she gave a persuasive speech that changed everyone's mind. Enthusiastic, meaning showing great excitement or interest. Example: he was enthusiastic about the new project from the start. Insights, meaning deep understanding or useful knowledge about something. Example: her insights into team behaviour helped resolve the conflict. Results-oriented, meaning focused on achieving outcomes or goals. Example: he is very results-oriented and doesn't waste time on distractions. End of section 1. Next. Section 2. Listening and reading. How personality types shape workplace success. The 4 work styles every company should understand. The DISC personality assessment is a powerful tool used by many companies to improve communication, teamwork, and leadership. Unlike other personality tests that focus on how people think or feel, DISC highlights how individuals behave in a professional setting. It identifies 4 main personality traits: dominance, influence, steadiness, and conscientiousness. Each trait plays a unique role in the workplace. Dominance. D. People with high dominance are direct, results-oriented, and confident. They enjoy taking control, solving problems, and working under pressure. They are often seen as natural leaders but may need to work on patience and listening skills. Influence. I. Those strong in influence are enthusiastic, talkative, and persuasive. They bring energy to teams and are skilled at building relationships. They are great at motivating others, but may sometimes overlook details or struggle with deadlines. Steadiness S. Steady individuals are calm, dependable, and team-focused. They prefer stability and are loyal workers who avoid conflict. They are excellent at supporting others and creating harmony, but may resist change or avoid taking risks. Conscientiousness C. People with high conscientiousness are detail-oriented, organised, and analytical. They value accuracy, follow rules carefully, and expect high standards from themselves and others. However, they may be overly critical or slow to make decisions. Understanding these traits helps managers assign roles more effectively, avoid misunderstandings, and build more balanced teams. For example, pairing a high D personality with a high S personality can combine strong leadership with stability and support. The DISC test is not about labeling people, but rather understanding different work styles. When used with interviews and real-world feedback, It helps companies improve collaboration, reduce conflict, and increase productivity. Employees also benefit by learning more about their own strengths and communication styles. In summary, the DISC assessment offers practical insights into human behaviour, making it a valuable tool for any organisation aiming to build strong and successful teams. End of section 2. Next. Section 3. Quiz. What does dominance usually refer to in a workplace context? A. Being shy in meetings. B. Taking control and leading others. C. Avoiding decisions. D. Working quietly. B. Taking control and leading others. Someone who shows conscientiousness is most likely to A. Take long breaks. B. Be careless with deadlines. C. Be detailed and responsible. Avoid giving feedback. C. Be detailed and responsible. If a person is results-oriented, they focus on A. Building friendships. B. Reaching goals efficiently. C. Avoiding responsibility. D. Creating problems. B. Reaching goals efficiently. The word traits refers to A. A company's goals. B. A person's skills and experience. C. A person's qualities and characteristics. D. A project plan. C. A person's qualities and characteristics. A person who is overly critical might A. Give helpful advice. B. Praise everyone. C. Judge others too harshly. D. Listen carefully. C. Judge others too harshly. Steadiness in a team member means they are A. Often changing their mood. B. Unreliable. C. Calm and consistent. D. Easily distracted. C. Calm and consistent. To struggle with something means to A. Succeed easily. B. Enjoy doing it. C. Have difficulty doing it. D. Avoid doing it altogether. C. Have difficulty doing it. An assessment is used to A. Relax employees. B. Judge someone's appearance. C. Measure behaviour, skills, or performance. D. Create team conflicts. C. Measure behaviour, skills, or performance. Insights are best described as A. Quick answers, B. Deep understanding or useful ideas, C. Team complaints, D. Formal reports. B. Deep understanding or useful ideas. A persuasive person is someone who can A. Argue without reason, B. Avoid making decisions, C. Convince others easily, D. Complain a lot. C. Convince others easily. Influence in the workplace often means A. Ignoring co-workers, B. Changing people's behaviour or opinions, C. Working alone, D. Refusing help. B. Changing people's behaviour or opinions. Enthusiastic employees usually A. Complain about work, B. Show excitement and energy, C. Arrive late every day, D. Work slowly and carefully. B. Show excitement and energy. A practical solution is one that is A. Theoretical and abstract, B. Too expensive to use, C. Useful and realistic, D. Based on emotions. C. Useful and realistic. If someone brings stability to a team, they A. Create conflict, B. Keep things calm and balanced, C. Frequently change tasks, D. Ask too many questions. B. Keep things calm and balanced. Pairing two people in a team means A. Separating them to avoid problems, B. Choosing the best person for the job, C. Matching two people to work together, D. Letting them decide on their own. C. Matching two people to work together. The end.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update, and leave a comment below to let us know what you'd like to learn next. See you in the next video. If you would like to support the channel, please buy us a coffee in the link below.